What if I told you that one simple mechanical feature could make a Ferrari F40 instantly recognizable from a mile away, turn a Mazda RX-7 into a cultural icon, and eventually get banned by governments worldwide? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of pop-up headlights. How did this brilliant engineering solution become automotive's most beloved feature? Which legendary supercars made them famous? And why did regulators eventually kill off what enthusiasts consider the coolest thing ever put on four wheels? Stick around, because some of these facts will shock you. How they work. Let's start with the engineering magic. Pop-up headlights, or hidden headlights as manufacturers called them, use either electric motors or vacuum systems to rotate the entire headlight assembly. The Lamborghini Countach pioneered the aggressive angular approach we all know and love. But here's something shocking. The very first pop-up headlights appeared on the 1936 Cord 810, decades before anyone had heard of Lamborghini. Iconic cars and cultural phenomenon. But it was the supercar era that made pop-up headlights legendary. The Lamborghini Miura introduced the world to the dramatic effect in 1966, followed by the jaw-dropping Countach that made pop-up lights synonymous with automotive desire. Ferrari went all in with the 288 GTO, Testarossa, F40, and F355. But here's an unknown fact. Ferrari's F50 was originally designed with pop-up headlights, but regulations forced them to abandon the design at the last minute. Meanwhile, everyday heroes like the Mazda RX-7 and Chevrolet Corvette brought pop-up magic to the masses. The third-generation RX-7 became a drift culture icon partly because of those sleepy-eyed headlights, while the C4 Corvette Stingray made pop-up lights an American muscle statement. European elegance and shocking facts. European manufacturers created some stunning examples. The BMW M1 and 8 series brought German precision to pop-up design, while the Lotus Esprit became James Bond's submarine car. But here's something that'll blow your mind. The Porsche 944 and 928 were specifically designed around their pop-up headlights to maintain Porsche's distinctive silhouette. And the Honda NSX? Those pop-up lights weren't just for looks. They were aerodynamically engineered to reduce drag by 12% when closed. The De Tomaso Pantera took it even further, with headlights that could be manually operated if the electrical system failed. The dark side and regulations. But pop-up headlights had a fatal flaw, literally. European pedestrian safety regulations in the late 1990s essentially banned them. The raised headlights created a hard edge that increased injury risk in collisions. The Jaguar XJ220 was one of the last supercars to feature them before the ban. Here's the shocking truth. It wasn't just safety. Pop-up headlights were expensive to manufacture, prone to mechanical failure, and added weight. The Alfa Romeo Montreal's pop-up system was so complex it required 27 separate components just to raise and lower the lights. The legacy. Today, pop-up headlights live on in our hearts and in the aftermarket scene. Modern LED technology could solve the safety issues, but manufacturers have moved on to adaptive lighting systems that are frankly more practical, but infinitely less cool. From the Lamborghini Diablo's aggressive stance to the Ferrari Testarossas' iconic side strakes complementing those hidden lights, pop-up headlights represent an era when cars had personality. They were impractical, temperamental, and absolutely perfect. What's your favorite pop-up headlight car? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive deep dives. Until next time, keep those headlights up.